Now, let me tell you one thing before starting. So this chapter is based on redox reaction. So just first I'll introduce few terms. Number one is what? Oxidation. Oxidation means what? If you read properly, OXI, I is what? Increases. Oxidation number increases. Oxidation number increases, or electrons are produced. It is written everywhere. Loss of electron is what? Oxidation. But you see, in bracket I wrote, so electron produced, that means when we are going to write reaction, okay, so electron will be in product side. Electron will be in product side. Okay, that is oxidation. Reduction, name itself says reduce, means oxidation number reduces, decreases, and electrons are used. Electrons are used. Means what? It should be on reactant side. Next part is electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell are of two types. One is what? Electrolytic. Lytic word has come from lysis. Lysis means breaking by. Pyrolysis means breaking by fire. Breaking of fire नहीं, breaking by. तो याद रखने का lysis means what? Breaking by. Hydrolysis or hydrolysis. So breaking by water. Likewise, electrolytic means what? Electrolysis means breaking by electric current. That means we are using electrical energy to carry out non-spontaneous reaction. In short, we are making non-spontaneous reactions spontaneous with the help of electrical energy. Next one is what? Electrogenic cell, जिसको galvanic cell बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पे name itself, if you read properly, electrogenic means electricity generate होगा. In short, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. That means this chemical energy means what? Chemical reactions are spontaneous. Okay, this way. Now here under electrogenic cell there are two parts. One is what? Primary and one is what? Secondary. Primary means जो recharge नहीं होंगे, non rechargeable, जो अपना everyday का battery रहता है, we cannot recharge. And one is what? Secondary, which we can recharge, जो अपना mobile का जो battery रहता है वो. Okay, now next part is what? That cell, one cell is made up of two half cell. That each half cell is called electrode, anode and cathode. Again I'm telling. One cell is made up of two half cell. One is what? Anode and one is what? Cathode. Now, anode याद रखने का always. See, one more, let me tell you. See, it is immaterial whether the cell is electrolytic या फिर electrogenic. हमेशा याद रखने का anode, on anode or at anode, always oxidation takes place. Always oxidation takes place. Okay. Next one. Now this anode is nothing but electrodes. So these electrodes are of two types. One is what? Reference and one is what? Indicator. This is not there in your book, but let me tell you. So first of all, this one electrodes may, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of reference electrode whose potential is already been fixed? So on the basis of that, we can decide value of another electrode or value of cell. Indicator electrode means what? Whose potential is unknown. Now, what is electrode? Listen here. Electrode is like something like this. It is what? Metal rod dipped in the solution. This is what one glass लिया मैंने. Metal rod dipped in the solution of its own iron. What does it mean? If suppose this rod is of zinc, so this solution must contain zinc ion. If suppose this rod is of copper, so this solution must contain copper sulfate या कुछ भी copper का salt like this. So that's why what is electrode? A metal plate, or we can say rod, dipped in the solution of its own ion, or a gas absorbed. देखो absorb नहीं लिखा है, adsorb. Absorption means what? Bulk है. Adsorption means what? It remains on the surface on inert metal, and metal plate is dipped in the solution. Metal plate is dipped in the solution. Now, so we cannot make rod with the help of gas. So गैस को क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको चिपकाना पड़ेगा रॉड के ऊपर. That चिपकाना is called adsorption. That means it remains on the surface, and then that metal rod we are going to dip in the solution. We are not at all interested in that metal rod. We are interested in that gas. So that solution must contain gas ion. Means what? Suppose if we are having if we are having hydrogen gas, so HCl मांगता है, H plus और H plus का ion मांगता है. It is like this. Now, I hope this page is clear. See, again I am telling. One is what? Oxidation. One is what? Reduction. Next one, electrochemical cells are of two types: electrolytic, electrogenic. Next one, cell is made up of two parts: anode and cathode. याद रखो, always oxidation takes place at anode. Electrodes are of two types, and what is electrode I wrote here. Next part. Listen. Now we'll start with electrogenic cell. So number one, let me tell you one more thing. This topic is bit complicated. आपको डरा नहीं रहा हूं मैं, but fact बता रहा हूं. After finishing of this topic, बच्चों को वो reactions है, वो reactions proper way में याद नहीं रहता है. This is the only problem. Now, what is the format of this chapter? Like this dry cell, lead accumulator, there are 4 to 5 cells. So first principle will be there, then diagram will be there. After that diagram, construction is there, and the main thing is what? That cell reaction. Cell reaction. वो आपको याद रखना है. Okay. After finishing of this, I have prepared one page on that. At a glance, I have mentioned all cells, so it would be easy for you. Now, we'll start with dry cell. It is also called Leclanche cell. It is also called Leclanche cell. Nothing but your everyday cell. So, why it is called dry cell? First of all, what I said, what is electrode? The metal rod dipped in the solution. That means there should be liquid. So why it is called dry cell? देखो बेटा, it is a cell without liquid component, but the hello. It is a cell. Hello.
खाने में कर नहीं तो पीछे पड़ गई हो.
मोहम्मद शेख, प्लीज म्यूट करो. मोहम्मद शेख. Now, it is a cell without liquid component. Means in that cell, means आपने एवरीडे का सेल जो रेड कलर का देखा रहेगा, उसमें कोई लिक्विड नहीं रहता है. So without liquid component, but the electrolyte is not completely dry. It is not possible. Now, if that electrolyte is what completely dry, then there is no scope of movement for ions. Okay, it is a viscous aqueous paste. Now, before starting this part, let me tell you one thing. What is the funda of electrochemistry? electrons always flow through wire, means what, a metallic wire, and ions always flow through solution. ये याद रखने का. Okay, now listen, what is this thing? This is what one metal container जो zinc का बना रहता है, and in between there is what I mean, one black rod, that is what made up of carbon. It is what graphite rod. Now this graphite rod के बाजू में एक porous bag दिख रहा है, देखो ये वाला, this one. So this graphite rod is coated, or what does that mean? There is a coating of what? Paste of MnO2 and carbon, manganese dioxide and carbon, and this remaining space is filled with paste of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. Okay, this graphite rod is what? Positive charge, and this is what? A negative charge. Now one more thing, let me tell you, from 9th standard we have been saying positive rod is called anode and negative rod is called cathode. This you people have studied. Positive rod is called anode and negative rod is called cathode. Now in electrogenic cell it is not like this. Negative rod is called anode. Now there may be question in your mind कि अरे यार ये सर क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, हमारे सर ने तो अभी तक जो 10th में पढ़ाया वो एनोड पूरा सब सर लोग बोल रहे थे एनोड इज व्हाट पॉजिटिव, ये कौन से सर एनोड निगेटिव पढ़ा रहे हैं, बाद में इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन में देता हूँ. सो देखो याद रखने का, आगे मैंने लिखा है बट अभी बता देता हूँ. Whenever we are talking about electrogenic cell, that means electricity generate होगा. In that you try to remember LON, LOAN, LON. Left hand side undergo oxidation. Left hand side undergo oxidation, act as anode and carries negative charge. Carries negative charge. 1 minute. Huh? See this thing. Galvanic cell representation. Nothing but we are talking about electrogenic cell. So this representation of the cell will be like this. Two lines will be there. This is called double line. Nothing but it is called salt bridge. On left hand side, we are going to run that corresponding salt and corresponding metal. Again salt and metal. This is the representation of the electrogenic cell. So this double line, this is left hand side. तो देखो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है LON. Left hand side undergo oxidation, act as anode and carries negative charge. So again I am telling, please beta, whenever you are talking about electrogenic cell, nothing but galvanic cell, so you remember LON, left hand side oxidation, anode and negative charge. What is the double line? Salt bridge. What is the single line? It is what? Electrode. ये एक half cell है और ये दूसरा half cell है, and two half cell का combination से one cell बन गया. Okay. Now so what is the construction? Construction is what? One zinc container and graphite rod. Graphite rod is suspended from the top. Graphite rod is coated, means what? There is a coat, this one porous bag which contains paste of MnO2 and carbon, MnO2 and carbon, and remaining cell is filled with paste of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride, ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. Now graphite rod is what? Positive, means वो क्या है? Cathode है. Now what is the construction? देखो, anode, anode is what? Zinc container which is lined from inside with porous paper to separate it from other material. Cathode is what? Graphite rod which is suspended vertically from the top at the center. Now let me tell you one thing, same type of format रहेगा. That means if you are writing about cell, so you write down, you should know about anode, cathode, electrolyte and cell reaction. So these are the 4 points all the time we are going to discuss. सिर्फ वो नाम अलग रहेगा. So what is, tell me regarding dry cell, what we are talking about? A dry cell, nothing but Lagrange cell. What is anode? Anode is what? Zinc container, and cathode is what? Graphite rod, and electrolyte is what? Paste. Electrolyte is what? Paste. One is what? Graphite rod, paste of MnO2 and carbon black. Graphite rod is surrounded by paste of MnO2, and rest of the cell is filled with paste of what? NH4Cl and ZnCl2, and some starch is added to prevent what? I mean leakage. The cell is sealed at the top. Cell is sealed at the top to prevent drying of the paste by evaporation of the moisture. बेटा भी ध्यान देना इधर. हाँ, 1 minute. Listen. So ये पूरा पेज आपको नहीं करना है, नहीं तो केमिस्ट्री 1 में प्रॉब्लम होता है. दिस इज व्हाट ओनली प्रॉब्लम इन केमिस्ट्री 1. सो यस वी आर टॉकिंग, ये आप मेरे से मिस व्हाट, आप या अपने आप से पूछो. यस व्हाट इज ड्राई सेल? अरे हाँ सर, यू ओनली टोल्ड कि व्हेनेवर वी हैव टू डिस्कस सेल, सो यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मस्ट नो एनोड, कैथोड, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. So what is it? As we are talking about the dry cell, so anode is what? देखो बेटा, zinc container. एक ही word बोलो. Cathode is what? Graphite rod suspended vertically from the top. What is next one? Electrolyte. अरे हाँ sir, we know carbon है तो carbon से related रहेगा, तो paste of carbon and MnO2, and zinc है तो paste of ZnCl2 and NH4Cl. This is done. That means again I am telling you, this is what first time. Anode, 1 line, zinc container, cathode, graphite rod, electrolyte, paste of carbon and MnO2, paste of ZnCl2 and NH4Cl. This is end. Now next part is what? Iska reactions. Now as I told, always देखो ना, lone, what is lone? Left hand side oxidation anode. So एनोड के ऊपर हमेशा ऑक्सीडेशन होगा, याद रखने का. एंड व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन? आई टोल्ड यू व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इंक्रीजेस एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड. ओके, नाउ अभी आगे देखो. व्हाट इज दिस थिंग? दीज आर व्हाट? रिएक्शंस. So at anode Zn gives Zn plus 2. देखो ये Zn है. Are you getting any charge here? No. Means what? 0. So 0 से क्या हो रहा है? +2. Oxidation number increases and electrons are produced. Okay. ये लाइन आपको याद रखने का जरूरत नहीं. You read this reaction. Yes, as we are talking about anode, anode तो zinc है, तो Zn gives Zn plus 2 and 2 electron. How to read this one? Yes, at anode zinc undergo oxidation to give Zn plus 2 ions and electrons are liberated or electrons are produced. What is next one? At cathode. This is important. This is the final reaction. So at cathode. So how to remember? NH4 plus cathode. अभी anode is what? Anode is what? Oxidation. So what is cathode? Reduction. दोनों याद रखने का नहीं, एनोड ऑक्सीडेशन याद रखने. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, 1, listen here, This is what one reaction. बच्चा हर एक reaction by heart करता है. No, logically, this is what one reaction, this is what one reaction, and this is the answer of these two reactions. So logically, you try to remember these two reactions. So what is that? NH4 plus gives NH3 and hydrogen is liberated. And MnO2 combines with this hydrogen and gives Mn2O3. यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, यहाँ पे डिक्रीज हो गया, यहाँ पे Mn का चार्ज +4 है, वो +2 हो गया, means what reduction. If you are going to add, so this hydrogen will get cut, no need to tell. Okay, so what is left? NH4 plus MnO2 plus 2 electron, 2 ammonia plus Mn2O3 plus water. Now, so how to read this thing? Simple. At cathode, NH4 plus ion. What is that? Ammonium. Let me tell you one more thing. When any species carries positive charge, तो उसका suffix क्या रहेगा? em. That means whenever suffix em is written, don't ask charge क्या रहेगा. It is understood कि it must carry positive charge. So read this reaction. At cathode, NH4 plus ion reduces to ammonia, MnO2 reduces to Mn2O3. Okay, देखो at cathode NH4 plus ion reduced to ammonia and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is oxidized by MnO2, okay, and prevents its collection on cathode. Therefore, MnO2 is called depolarizer. What is called depolarizer? ये आपका बुक में नहीं लिखा है, मैंने लिखा है. अभी what is next thing? Net cell reaction. But what is net cell reaction? It is nothing but O plus R. Nothing but oxidation plus reduction. And that's why अभी ये दोनों को ऐड करने का, Zn वाले को नीचे लेके आओ. So this is what net cell reaction is, the sum of O plus R. Zn gives Zn plus 2, NH4 plus gives ammonia, MnO2 gives Mn2O3 along with water. Now what happens? This ammonia, listen here. This ammonia combines with zinc ion, and form complex zinc ammonia complex. Zinc ammonia complex. ये मैंने लिखा है. Ammonia produce combine with zinc and form complex. अभी क्या होगा देखो. Why this cell is not rechargeable? The thing is what? Whatever zinc ions are produced, it has combined with this thing. Zinc ion combine हो गया. That means these zinc ions which we are getting, which were good, are consumed. That means they are not available for reverse reaction, and that's why recharging means what? Reverse reaction. So zinc ions combine with ammonia forming complex. That's why zinc ions are not available for reverse reaction, and that's why dry cell we cannot recharge. Dry cell we cannot recharge. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे. So what is this thing? First of all, देखो अभी मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, ये पेज नहीं बोलूंगा मैं. What is dry cell? Zn gives Zn plus 2, NH4 plus gives NH3 plus hydrogen. That hydrogen combines with MnO2. So MnO2 plus hydrogen gives Mn2O3 plus water. Add करो, this is done. In short, what is the final answer? देखो यहाँ पे Zn gives Zn plus 2, NH4 plus gives ammonia, MnO2 gives Mn2O3 plus water, and this is the additional reaction of complex formation. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखो मैंने reason लिखा है. Ammonia produced combined with zinc ion to form complex. As zinc ions are used up, hence are not available for reverse reaction. Hence, cell cannot recharge. Okay, what are the uses? Source of power in flashlight, battery, वगैरह, portable radios, tape recorder, and clock. Okay, so this is what first cell. Now, let me tell you one thing. Listen here. What is this? Suppose, just tell me about, suppose someone asked me to just tell me about dry cell. So what is that? construction. So it is what anode is what zinc container, and carbon rod or graphite rod is suspended vertically from the top. Carbon rod is surrounded by paste of carbon and MnO2, and next one, our remaining space is filled by paste of ZnCl2 and NH4Cl. Then what is next one? Cell reaction. So cell reaction means what? Anode reaction, oxidation, and cathode reaction. So tell me one line. Zn gives Zn plus 2. NH4 plus gives ammonia plus hydrogen. MnO2 combines with hydrogen gives Mn2O3 and water. Done. इतना 3 लाइन बोलने का. ये this page, these lines, Zn gives this one, ये this one ammonia, ये important है. Okay. And MnO2 का रोल क्या है? डीपोलराइजर. ये जेई के लिए याद रखो. नाउ होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग. नेक्स्ट वन देखो, अल्कलाइन ड्राई सेल. अल्कलाइन ड्राई सेल, ड्राई सेल ही है, दैट मींस देयर इज नो लिक्विड. इन अल्कलाइन ड्राई सेल NaOH or KOH is used as electrolyte in place of NH4Cl, because ammonium chloride is this is the salt which is acidic in nature. Why? Because ammonium chloride is a salt of strong acid and weak base. This you might have studied. Sorry, ये अभी आपको 12th में है, under ionic equilibrium. Now, so it is what? Salt of strong acid and weak base. That's why it is acidic in nature. Now, Leclanche's cell works under acidic condition because NH4Cl. Zinc container gets corrode. If metal के साथ acid रहेगा तो but obvious there is a salt and there is what, tell me, corrode हो जाएगा due to action of what, tell me, H plus of from NH4 ion. Alkaline dry cell has longer life than acidic dry cell since there is no corrosion of what, zinc. There is no corrosion of zinc. देखो एक मिनट, देखो ये ब्रैकेट में मैंने शॉर्ट में ड्राई सेल का स्टोरी लिखा है. बेटा ऐसे आप याद रखो एग्जाम के लिए. यू कैन राइट डाउन एनी रिएक्शन. सामने वाला बच्चा बोलेगा अरे इसको पूरा इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री आता है. So what is that? देखो बेटा, Zn gives Zn plus 2, NH4 plus gives ammonia, MnO2 gives Mn2O3 plus water. अब ये water इतना याद रखने का. MnO2 gives Mn2O3 plus water. H2 के इधर क्या लिखना है? H2. Done. Okay. Next one. This is important. This जो बच्चे बाइक चलाते हैं उनको मालूम रहेगा, जो बाइक का जो बैटरी रहता है या कार या ट्रक में जो बैटरी रहता है, ओके, मींस अभी तो बहुत कलर में आता है. जनरली वन प्लास्टिक कंटेनर इज देयर. वन प्लास्टिक कंटेनर सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज, अगर आप उठाओगे तो वो बहुत हेवी लगता है. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वन प्लास्टिक कंटेनर, देन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज फिल्ड. Percentage of sulfuric acid is 38%. 38%. Now, what is next one? And then there is a series of lead plates. There is a series of lead plates. देखो, lead plate ये white किया है, dark किया, white किया, dark. Means what? Anode, cathode, anode, cathode, anode, cathode. Alternate arrange किया है. Okay. Now, this is secondary cell because we can recharge. So again question arises, इसमें क्या रहेगा? So construction very simple. जो मैंने बोला वो plastic container filled with 38% H2SO4 and anode and cathode are arranged alternately. So first of all, what are anode? Anode is lead plates, pure lead plates. And cathode is again lead plates, but cathode is lead plates but coated with PbO2. Coated with PbO2. देखो यहाँ पे आपका छोटा सा प्यारा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन बन गया. अरे हाँ सर, वन प्लास्टिक कंटेनर. यस सर, ओके. व्हाट इज दैट कंटेनर में क्या लू 38% H2SO4, ये हो गया आपका इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. व्हाट इज एनोड? पीबी प्लेट, लेड प्लेट. व्हाट इज कैथोड? लेड प्लेट्स कोटेड विद PbO2, लेड प्लेट्स कोटेड विद PbO2. ओके, नाउ देखो, what is anode? A group of lead plates. What is cathode? Group of lead plates coated with PbO2. Okay, they are arranged alternately. And what is electrolyte? आपको मालूम है 38% aqueous solution. And both these electrodes are immersed in that electrolyte, same electrolyte. Same electrolyte. See the difference, same electrolyte. And just whatever we have finished, that carbon was related with paste of carbon and MnO2, and zinc was related with paste of NH4Cl and ZnCl2, my dear. I mean, two different sets are there, but here anode and cathode both are dipped in the same electrolyte. Now, the thing is what? This is what construction. Now, अब ये rechargeable है. That means, what is the meaning? Discharging जब भी होगा, that means वो जब भी हम लोग यूज करेंगे तो आपको करंट देगा. बैटरी मीन्स व्हाट, स्टार्टअप के लिए जो बैटरी लगता है कार वगैरह के लिए. एंड आफ्टर यूजिंग हम लोग बोलते करे मेरे कार का बैटरी डाउन हो गया है, सो उसको रिचार्ज करवाते हैं बैटरी शॉप में. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स इन दिस टॉपिक देयर आर टू पार्ट. वन इज व्हाट, डिस्चार्जिंग मीन्स वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, and recharging, that means after putting electric current we are making chemical reaction. That means there are two things, one is what discharging and one is what recharging. जो बच्चा लॉजिकली सोचेगा वो बोलेगा अरे सर डिस्चार्जिंग और रिचार्जिंग है, तो लॉजिकली वॉट एवर डिस्चार्जिंग रिएक्शंस आर देयर, से ऑपोजिट विल बी देयर इन व्हाट रिचार्जिंग. एम आई राइट? दिस वे everything will be opposite. Anode will become cathode, cathode will become anode, and this thing. Before starting, let me tell you what is the funda construction. Anode is what, I'm sorry, one is what, plastic container. In that we have taken 38% wala H2SO4, and anode is lead plates, cathode is lead plates coated with PbO2, and both these electrodes are dipped in the sulfuric acid. कौन से परसेंटेज वाला? 38%. ओके, अभी आगे देखो. नाउ ये रिएक्शन देख के डरना मत. देखो ये पूरा रिएक्शन इसका है, डिस्चार्जिंग का है. एक मिनट. Let me tell you one more thing. As you people are in 12th standard, so after 3 years you are in degree class, means what, final year mein. So it is not possible to read each and every line. Read karo, but remember पूरा line to line, book to book याद नहीं रहता है, like Vivekananda. So first of all, this is what first time here it is written representation, cell representation, or we can say cell notation. तो देखो बीच में क्या है? H2SO4. If you remember, this focus on this. If you remember what I told, to represent galvanic cell, put a double line. That is what salt bridge. But here we are not getting any double line. We are not getting any double line. Single line, single line, single. So yeah, this is your electrolyte. Single line, single line. PbSO4, PbSO4. Pb, PbO2 on Pb. ऐसा ही पढ़ने का. H2SO4, PbSO4, PbSO4, Pb, PbO2 on Pb. Now, discharging part. What is discharging part? We are producing electricity. इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी। देखो एक मिनट, पहले मैं ये पेज का रिएक्शन बताता हूँ क्या है। क्या है, फॉरगेट अबाउट केमिस्ट्री। नंबर 1 रिएक्शन, नंबर 2, नंबर 3, नंबर 4, नंबर 5, नंबर 6 and number 7 means if you are going to show this particular page to 10th पास स्टूडेंट कि बायोकेमिस्ट्री में ऐसा रहता है तो वो साइंस लेगा ही नहीं। बट अभी ध्यान दो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 reactions are there, but if you observe carefully, this is the answer of these two reaction. That means ये मेरे को logically by heart करने का जरूरत नहीं है। This is the answer of these two reaction. Am I right? This way. Now, so what is first thing? This let me tell you one more thing. You start writing cell notation from H2SO4, same way you start writing cell reaction with H2SO4 only. So this H2SO4 undergo ionization. Means what? इसमें से ion form होंगे. Formation of ion is ionization and separation of ion is dissociation. Ionization takes place in covalent compound, dissociation takes place in ionic compound. Now, so first of all, this H2SO4 undergo ionization to give H plus ion and sulfate ion 2 times. ये 2 to the 4H plus और ये हो गया. Now, how to remember at anode? What is anode? You know, oxidation. Formation of Pb plus 2. फॉर्मेशन देखो, ये PbSO4 में सल्फेट क्या है -2, तो Pb क्या है +2, ये मालूम मांगते हैं बेटा। हाँ, रिडॉक्स के ऊपर पूरा चैप्टर है। सो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ, ये देखो Pb गिव्स Pb +2 एंड यहाँ पे PbO2 गिव्स Pb। इन शॉर्ट Pb +4, PbO2 गिव्स Pb +2। हाउ टू रिमेंबर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ Pb +2 आयंस फ्रॉम Pb? नहीं याद रहता है, Pb gives Pb +2. After getting Pb +2, this Pb +2 ions combine with sulfate. तो Pb +2 plus sulfate, you will get PbSO4. ये दोनों को ऐड करना है, कोई भी बच्चा ऐड कर सकता है। This right hand side Pb and left hand will get cancelled. So this Pb here, this sulfate here, this PbSO4 here, and these 2 electrons will be there. अभी ये याद नहीं, तो व्हाट इज दैट, इसको रीड करो। एट एनोड Pb अंडरगो ऑक्सीडेशन टू फॉर्म Pb +2 आयंस, इसको सिर्फ रीड करो, यही तो मैंने लिखा है। एट एनोड Pb अंडरगो ऑक्सीडेशन टू गिव Pb +2 आयंस व्हिच कंबाइन विद सल्फेट आयन टू फॉर्म PbSO4, यही तो लिखा है। बच्चा 2-2 बार दिमाग लगाता है याद करने के लिए, थक जाओगे नहीं। ट्राई टू रीड द रिएक्शन, ट्राई टू रीड द रिएक्शन। व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट थिंग? कैथोड। व्हाट इज कैथोड? आपको मालूम है, रिडक्शन। PbO2, ऑक्सीजन का चार्ज इज -2, -2 to the -4, and that's why, and in this, on this PbO2, the way we are getting H के ऊपर प्लस चार्ज, are you getting any charge on PbO2? No, that means answer is what? 0 charge, and oxygen का चार्ज -2 to the -4, so Pb का charge is what? +4. so +4 converts into +2, तो 4 से क्या बन गया? 2, means what? Reduction. That's why it is written reduction. So Pb +2 formation from PbO2 plus water. अभी listen here, बैलेंस H2 करने के लिए ये 2 to the 4 है, तो देखो यहाँ पे वापस बताता हूँ। डाउट है तो बेटा पूछना, मैं वापस बताऊंगा कि टॉपिक की डिफिकल्टी। सो व्हाट इज कैथोड रिएक्शन? फॉर्मेशन ऑफ Pb +2 फ्रॉम PbO2। इतना डायलॉग बोलने का, एज यू आर इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड यू नो, अरे हाँ सर O2 को बैलेंस करना है तो H2O, तो इट इज ऑक्सीजन 2 times, so it should be 2H2O, 2 to the 4, तो ये 4H+। अभी आप बोलोगे सर ये किधर से पैदा हो गया, तो देखो 4H+। from ionization of H2SO4. After getting the way we got Pb plus 2, immediately it combines with sulfate. So out of 2 sulfate, 1 we have consumed here. So either dekho, after same way, the way we got Pb plus 2, here also formation of Pb plus 2. So this Pb plus 2 combines with another sulfate and you will get PbSO4. दोनों को add करो, तो ये PbO2 आ गया, ये 4H plus आ गया, ये SO4 आ गया, ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आ गया, ये PbSO4, ये Pb और ये Pb कट हो गया and 2H2 आ गया. This is cathode reaction.
हेलो हेलो सर.
हाँ,
हेलो सर, ये ऑक्सीडेशन के साथ जो रिएक्शन लिया ना सेकंड वाला Pb प्लस
एक मिनट कौन सा?
हाँ सर, ये ऑक्सीडेशन के साथ जो सेकंड रिएक्शन लिया ना,
ये ना मैं कर्सर रखा है वो ना.
हाँ सर. हाँ सर, वो वही क्यों लिया प्लस करने के लिए दोनों रिएक्शन को?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं. सुन देख, इधर देख, दिस इज योर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ना.
यस सर.
और यहाँ पे सॉल्ट फॉर्मेशन कौन सा है देख?
PbSO4.
PbSO4 ना. व्हाट इज द कंटेंट ऑफ PbSO4? Pb plus 2 and sulfate minus ना.
हाँ
है ना. So
sir.
means what? This sulfate has to combine with Pb plus 2 ना बच्चा.
हाँ.
तो देख ना, लिसन हियर, है ना. तो देख, एक मिनट, अभी थोड़ा मैं स्क्रीन छोटा करके देखो, एट ग्लांस बोलता हूँ. अभी अंडरस्टूड?
यस सर. यस.
बेटा अभी ध्यान दो. लिसन हियर, हाउ टू रिमेंबर. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, एट एनोड formation of Pb plus 2 from Pb plus 2 combines with sulfate ion to form PbSO4. दोनों को ऐड करो, रिएक्शन लिख दो. I don't know. What is next one? Formation of Pb plus 2 from PbO2. And what is the oxidation number of Pb in PbO2? plus 4. ये plus 4 से क्या बन रहा है? plus 2 means reduces. So again and again I'm telling, what is anode? Pb plus 2 formation from Pb, and cathode Pb plus 2 formation from PbO2. How to balance O2? In the form of H2O. How to balance 2 to the 4H? A 4H plus. From where we got 4H plus? By the ionization of sulfuric acid. Now you know it is redox reaction. So this is what overall oxidation and this is what overall reduction. So tell me, what would be the next logical step? What is redox? अरे एक भी नहीं. What is this?
Taking place simultaneously.
What is this thing? Oxidation. What is this thing? Reduction. So what is redox? Reduction plus oxidation. So what is next thing? देखो यहाँ पे, देखो, what is net cell reaction? What is net cell reaction? देखो, ये ऑक्सीडेशन से मैंने उठाया, ये रिडक्शन से मैंने उठाया, दोनों को ऐड कर दिया. तो व्हाट इज दैट? Pb प्लस PbO2, PbSO4, 2 PbSO4 और ये 2 वाटर लिखा. राइट हैंड साइड इलेक्ट्रॉन, एक मिनट, राइट हैंड साइड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन विल गेट कैंसल. अभी यहाँ पे देखो ये स्टोरी क्या बना. What is sulfuric acid? H2SO4, my dear. What is H2SO4? 2 hydrogen and 1 sulfate. So here we are getting 4 hydrogen and 2 sulfate. So by combining this, can I write on 2 H2SO4? Yes, sir. So what is final reaction? During discharging, PbO2 and sulfuric acid get consumed and PbSO4 and water is formed. अभी जो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे सर बैटरी डाउन हो गया, मीन्स देखो ये जो वाटर है तो अपने पास एक प्लास्टिक का डिब्बा. सो दिस वाटर इज मिक्सिंग विद दैट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एंड इट कॉजेस डिक्रीज इन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एंड दैट्स व्हाई हम लोग बोलते हैं सर बैटरी डाउन हो गया. ओके, दिस इज द कॉज. ओके एक बार मैं वापस बताता हूं. टेल मी व्हाट इज द स्टोरी. लेड कंटेनर, सॉरी प्लास्टिक कंटेनर लिया. आफ्टर दैट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड डाला 38% वाला. व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट वन. लेड प्लेट्स लिया एज ए एनोड. लेड प्लेट को कोट किया PbO2 से, वो लिया कैथोड और उसको अल्टरनेट अरेंज किया. व्हाट इज द रिएक्शन. What is the reaction? We are talking about discharging. We are talking about discharging. So during discharging, first of all, you write down cell notation, single line, don't put double line. You know the reason, because both the electrodes are directly dipped in the same electrolyte. That's why direct contact. Single line means direct contact. Double line means what? Indirect contact. Now, first write down ionization. What is next one? Formation of Pb plus 2 from Pb plus 2. In short, नहीं ऐसे याद रहे तो ऐसे याद रखो. Anode reaction, Pb gives Pb plus 2 and Pb plus 2 combine with sulfate and form PbSO4. दोनों को add करो. What is next thing? Reduction. देखो ऐसे याद रखना है आपको. PbO2 gives Pb plus 2. मैं वापस पीछे जाता हूं. एनोड Pb gives Pb plus 2. कैथोड PbO2 gives Pb plus 2 plus what? Water. Okay. Now, after getting Pb, the way we got Pb plus 2, which is going to combine with sulfate, same way Pb plus 2 combines with sulfate. दोनों को add करो, we are going to get reduction reaction. Okay, after reduction reaction, it is what? Final reaction. It is nothing but redox reaction. So what is redox reaction? So what is that? दोनों को add करना है. So you remember Pb, PbO2 and sulfuric acid 2 moles gives you PbSO4 and water. And what is the cell potential? 2 volt. Cell potential is what? 2 volt. Okay. So this is what discharging. This is what discharging. Now, this is what second cell. Second cell. देखो यहाँ पे if you focus on this one screen, आपको समझेगा. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या लिखा है. देखो जानबूझ के net cell reaction is what? O plus R. Oxidation plus reduction. Now, just will go through that. This one dry cell. Now, can anyone tell me if I want to discuss with you cell, so what are the necessities? Tell me. There must be anode, there must be cathode, and there must be electrolyte. This is the end. Now tell me, dry cell. So what is anode? Anyone?
Zinc container.
That's it. Zinc container. What is cathode?
Graphite tip in.
ग्रेफाइट रॉड है ना. और पोजीशन बोलो बेटा. ग्रेफाइट रॉड सस्पेंडेड वर्टिकली फ्रॉम द टॉप. क्या बात है. वेरी गुड. अब एनोड एंड कैथोड इज डन. व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट? कार्बन को सराउंड किसने किया है?
MnO2.
पूरा पूरा बोलिए.
Paste of MnO2.
Very good. Paste of paste word is important. Why? Because we are talking about dry cell. Paste of MnO2 and what? Carbon. है ना. कार्बन से अटैच है ना वो. एंड व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट वन? नेक्स्ट पेस्ट क्या है? जिंक. बाकी डब्बे में पेस्ट ऑफ ZnCl2, जिंक क्लोराइड एंड NH4Cl, अमोनियम क्लोराइड. अमोनियम क्लोराइड जो अभी बेरूट में देखो ब्लास्ट हो गया. आपने व्हाट्सएप पे वो सब धमाके देखे रहेंगे, ब्लास्ट देखे रहेंगे. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ अमोनियम नाइट्रेट. अमोनियम नाइट्रेट बेसिकली इज यूज एज मींस व्हाट? ये फर्टिलाइजर ये है दिस वन, बट इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड इन एक्सप्लोजिव्स. ओके. वो अमोनियम नाइट्रेट का ब्लास्ट था. नाउ सो आफ्टर दैट यू नो. टेल मी व्हाट इज दैट सेल रिएक्शन. क्या था इन ड्राई सेल? Zn gives Zn plus 2. एक मिनट. एक मिनट. What is that? देखो इधर Zn gives Zn plus 2. What is next one? NH4 plus gives ammonia and MnO2 gives Mn2O3 and water. तो आपको मालूम है वाटर को बैलेंस करने के लिए यहाँ पे H2 और ये H2 इधर से आया। ये सुन यहाँ पे 3 है तो 4 है, 3 है। बैलेंस नहीं किया मैंने, जैसे बैलेंस उधर प्रॉपर रिएक्शन में लिखा है। So these are the 3 lines you people have to remember. Zn gives Zn plus 2, NH4 plus gives ammonia, and MnO2 gives Mn2O3. Now, logically tell me, what are the lines for lead accumulator discharging? First, ionization. Next one, Pb gives Pb plus 2. Pb plus 2 combines with SO4 and PbSO4. This is what anode. Add kar do. What is next one? PbO2. PbO2 gives Pb plus 2 along with water. Same way Pb plus 2 forms PbSO4. Add kar do. You will get reduction. After that, add oxidation and reduction. Okay. So after adding this one, so we are going to get Pb, PbO2, H2SO4 2 times get consumed and 2 PbSO4 and water is formed. Okay. Only 5 minutes are there. Now देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है recharging. So tell me logically, see I have not taught anything, just tell me what would be the recharging reaction. This way na, reverse way. PbSO4 water will react and you will get Pb, PbO2 and H2SO. देखो, if you think about reverse reaction, right to left, तो देखो H2SO4 पैदा हो रहा है, H2SO4 बन रहा है, means what concentration increase हो रहा है और बैटरी recharge हो रहा है. Okay, this thing. Okay, so recharging, as the cell operates, to generate current, sulfuric acid is consumed. Its concentration decreases and cell potential is decreased. Thus cell potential depends on sulfuric acid concentration. The potential of the cell is 2 volt. When it falls to 1.8, cell requires recharging. That means ये याद रखने का. When cell potential falls to 1.8, it requires recharging. For that, external potential slightly greater than 2 volt is applied across the electrodes. What is written here? External potential slightly greater. देखो, what does it mean? एक 2 मिनट 3 मिनट है, आपका 12th का क्लास है. सपोज आप क्लास में आए हो, ये सब लॉकडाउन वगैरह हट गया, आपको पढ़ाने के लिए 10th पास टीचर आया है, क्लास 12th का है और 10th पास टीचर आया है, तो क्या होगा? आप लोग ही उसको सिखा के भेज दोगे. घर में पूछेंगे आज क्या पढ़ाया, आप बोलोगे अरे आज हमने ही सर को पढ़ाया, हमने ही सर को चार्ज करके भेज दिया. सपोज 12th पास टीचर आ गया, तो आधा टाइम वो आपको पढ़ाएगा, आधा टाइम आप उनको पढ़ाओगे. वापस घर में पूछेंगे क्या हुआ, आप बोलोगे आज आधा टाइम सर को हमने रिचार्ज किया, आधा टाइम सर ने हमको रिचार्ज किया.
सर स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है.
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है?
ग्रीन दिख रहा है सर, ग्रीन.
1 मिनट. सबको नहीं दिख रहा है स्क्रीन? हेलो?
यस सर.
नहीं दिख रहा है?
यस सर, नहीं दिख रहा है सर.
ओके 1 मिनट.
ग्रीन दिख रहा है पूरा बोर्ड.
एक अभी दिख रहा है?
दिख रहा है सर.
यस सर, अभी दिख रहा है.
Okay, thank you. Now, only 2 minutes. Suppose कोई तो नासा से साइंटिस्ट आ गया इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री पढ़ाने के लिए, तो वो उतना बाउंसर डालेगा कि आपको सब बाउंसर कंसेप्ट बाउंसर जाएगा। तो आप वापस घर पे जाके बोलोगे अरे आज तो साइंटिस्ट आए थे पढ़ाने के लिए, बट कंसेप्ट इतना हाई लेवल पे पढ़ा कि सब बाउंसर गया, वापस हम लोग को कुछ समझा ही नहीं। दैट्स व्हाई इफ यू आर एट 12th लेवल, 10th वाला भी नहीं चलेगा, साइंटिस्ट भी नहीं चलेगा, तो हम लोग के जैसे टीचर बनते हैं, आपसे थोड़ा ज्यादा सीखा हुआ। So that's why this is the concept. External potential should be slightly greater. Means what? मेरे को अगर 2 वोल्ट को रिचार्ज करना है तो मैं अगर 500 वोल्ट का करंट छोड़ दूं तो ब्लास्ट ही हो जाएगा। मेरे को 2 वोल्ट का करंट, 2 वोल्ट का सेल चार्ज रिचार्ज करना है, मैं 0.5 से कर दूं तो नहीं होगा। मेरे को 2 वोल्ट का करंट सेल को रिचार्ज करना है, मैं 2 वोल्ट ही ज्वाइन करूं तो होगा ही नहीं। This is the concept of slightly greater than potential. Okay. Now, अभी क्या होगा? We are putting electricity. That means electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. But आपको मालूम है when electrical energy converted into chemical energy, it is electrolytic cell. That means ये जो lead accumulator है वो during discharging electrogenic का काम करता है and during recharging वो इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक का काम करता है। ओके, सो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट 8:30, सो आई विल नॉट स्टार्ट रिएक्शन पार्ट बिकॉज वो 2 मिनट में होगा नहीं बेटा। सो हियर विल स्टॉप। ओके, होप यू अंडरस्टूड 2 सेल, दैट इज व्हाट ड्राई सेल एंड लेड एक्यूमुलेटर। नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं चालू करूंगा तो आई विल रिवाइज दिस थिंग एंड विल गो अहेड। ओके, सो विल स्टॉप हियर। बाय बाय।
हेलो सर, प्रीवियस चैप्टर का भी नोट सेंड कर दीजिए।
हाँ नोट, अरे मेरे पास वो याद आज मैंने बोला था, भेज दे दो बेटा, 100% भेज। हाँ, डोंट वरी। ओके।
Hold on,